Hi everybody, this is Ali with Riomar Travel Organizers. How's everybody doing? Today I'm going to be sharing with you not a final product, but something that I tried this week and I actually need your feedback on this. So if you could leave the comments down below, I would really appreciate it. I am going to share with you a kind of a fail I had this week. I was trying a pattern for some brand new product that I want to bring to you. And after I finished the product, based on the pattern that I purchased, it's just not good. And I still want to make this product if that's something that you think you will need, but I need a better pattern. So I'm gonna most likely end up making my own pattern and design. Now, before I go on, if at any point you like what you see, would you hit the like button? It helps me more than you know. And subscribe to the channel so you can get notifications when I upload the next video. Okay, now let me show you what I did this week. I'm not going to do a review on the pattern. I'm doing a review of the actual finished product. So I'm currently finishing a set with this llama fabric. And I have a packing cube, jewelry organizer, and all that. And I'll show you that in the next video next week. However, I wanted to try a pouch to hold the sanitary pads or tampons. Because, you know, most women need that, right? I found this pattern and I made it, but after I made it, I realized the pattern is not wide enough for the pads, the folded pads, even these ones, you know, it's more for like the tiny ones. The pattern calls for these loops here to put the tampons, but if you have big tampons, they don't fit horizontally, then this doesn't close. You can only fit them like vertically, like this, which is fine. But if you have several that you want to, you know, use the space, you can't. If you have the folded pads, then this is too long for the folded pads. Like you have to stuff this one down here and this one. It may be uncomfortable to pull them out and all of that. I like the fact that it has the zipper. The original pattern has 2 snaps and I didn't even place the snaps because at the end I was so frustrated. I was like, oh, forget it. I'm not even gonna finish that. What for? But it calls for 2 snaps here, which is nice because you can close the pouch. And also the pattern calls for an elastic loop. I didn't do the loop. I decided to do the snap handle because with the loop, if you have to hang this anywhere, like it has a rod and you have no way of opening the place, or it's not a hook where you can just hook it, then how do you hang it? With the snap handle, you can open the snap handle, snap it into place, and it will literally, you'll be able to hang this anywhere. Because you don't know what kind of bathroom you're going to be in when you're using this, right? This is to be used in the bathroom. That's my update. I want to make this, but I want to make it differently. So it will be wider, maybe shorter, but not too short so that you can, you know, put longer tampons. But if that's the case, maybe the tampons can go horizontally so it will be longer. I like the zipper. I may try to incorporate that. This obviously is not going to be ready right away because now I have to work on a design for it. But what do you think? Is this something that you would like to see in the store? If you do, would you please leave a comment down below and let me know? I would really appreciate it. That's it for this week. I need your feedback. If you don't mind leaving a comment down below, letting me know what do you think, if you think this is a good design, or if you think I should change it and make another one wider and a little bit shorter. Do you like the zipper or not? Do you like the snaps or not? Okay, you guys, thank you so much for your help and for your feedback. and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.